going on, YouTube? Welcome back to another day at the House Money channel. Today's video, I'm going to be showing you 4 stocks to buy now. These are 4 stocks I believe in for the long term, and these are 4 stocks that I just purchased 1 share of each. I will be swing trading these positions. So basically, whatever principal I put into these positions, I will pull out in about 30 to 90 days, and I will leave my gains into the market. Now, I purchased these in my Ameritrade account, which Ameritrade doesn't have for fractional shares. So what I will do is sell out the full share. Whatever I have in gains, I'll repurchase that in one of my brokerages that offer fractional share, like Robinhood, Stash, Public, Cash App, Fidelity, or Charles Schwab. I do have 1-in-1 finance, but I use that to swing trade, so I won't be purchasing it there. If you're new to the channel, what I basically do is put capital into the market. After a set number of days, I'll pull out my capital, leaving my gains into the market. I started this challenge back in June, and I've accumulated over $12,000 worth of House Money shares, which I consider free shares, and they are at a 0 risk. There's 0 risk investment, beyond that point, because they're basically, free stock. So I can let them just ride out for decades, compound, and just grow over time without having to worry about it at all. The first trade I made was for SPCE. This is good old Virgin Galactic. This is a volatile stock. They did have some issues with their last launch date. They kept pushing it back, and then they had some issues. So the stock hasn't popped yet. I'm still up pretty big in this stock. I own several different positions. Several different shares and fractional shares throughout all 10 or so of my brokerages. And this is something I keep swing trading, because I know once they get it right, once they send somebody to outer space and it's a successful trip, this stock will boom. I'm talking about it's going to be astronomical. So $24 to me is a steal. This thing is going to go up a lot higher than that. So Virgin Galactic, like I said, is something I'm going to swing trade and try to gain some more House Money shares upon. The second trade I made is for PSTH. This is a SPAQ company, a blank check company, and this is the largest SPAQ company ever. There's a lot of hype behind the founder. There's a lot of hype behind this SPAQ. A lot of people have been jumping into it, ever since the news came out. This is something I've already swing traded. I swing traded it for the first time in November. So I do own fractional shares of this position already. This is just something I'm going to swing trade again, and I'm going to try to build my position upon it, because whatever this company merges with, I'm sure it's going to be a pretty good deal. It's going to be a big deal, and it's going to make some money. The people backing this are not rookies. They know what they're doing. So this is something I believe that's going to, make some real cash. So I'm steady trying to build my position, especially before that merger happens. Third stock we got is PLTR. They have government and commercial contracts. They're in the data sector, the technology sector. They have been some bearish news on it, stuff like that. It went up, came down a little bit. It's still something I believe in. It's something I already swung trade last month, so I do own some fractional shares in this company, and I'm trying to build my position. They just went public back in September, I believe, so it's still kind of new to the public market. And like I said, this is a company that I believe is going to make some good money, so I'm steady trying to build my position in it. The last trade I have is American Well. This will give you, some exposure to the medical side of the market, into that sector, into healthcare. This company is a pretty good company as well. I just bought a share at $27, and hopefully, I can swing trade this and, start a position in this company. I don't believe that I own any fractional shares of American Well yet, but with the vaccine coming out and everything like that, what they do is like online stuff for healthcare, and that's really big now. especially since the pandemic hit. A lot of people couldn't leave the house or didn't want to leave the house. You know, you can just get on your phone or your laptop, your tablet, and speak to a doctor directly over, you know, via like video chat or whatever, maybe Zoom or, you know, whatever. And, you know, makes it a lot easier, a lot more convenient, so people don't have to leave their homes, and you can just get your prescription filled right over the phone. They can diagnose you over the phone, stuff like that. There's other companies coming out with, you know, products where you can buy this product, take it home, and, you know, scan yourself and kind of diagnose yourself and stuff like that. And this will also help these doctors that are working, you know, online, so these patients will kind of have a better idea of what's going on, and it also help the doctors have a better idea of what's going on, since they're physically not in the office, for them to make these scans and to diagnose these patients. So this is a sector I see blowing up, and it's going to continue to build and continue to grow from here. This is kind of just the start of it. So this is a company that I want to gain some positions in and ride out for the long term. And those will be my 4 trades for the night. I will make 5 trades tomorrow. So, you know, I highly suggest that you look into all 4 of these companies if you haven't heard of them. You know, look into them, look at their fundamentals. If possible, you know, look at their balance sheets and see if it's something that you want to get into, because it's something definitely that I'm into already. 3 of these positions I already hold. The 4th one I'm trying to, you know, gain access to. And, you know, if you like the video, please hit the thumbs up, comment if you would like. If you want to follow my journey, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the bell. You'll get a notification every day when I make trades. I post my stock picks. I post ETS, dividends, growth stocks. I post my daily gains. I do show all of my portfolios as well. All of my house money portfolios. I do not show my private portfolios. I do, you know, show them every now and again on social media, but I do not display on my YouTube, as this is just for my house money challenge. You don't have to technically use, you know, use my strategies to follow me. You can always follow me just for, like, you know, some good stock picks and kind of see what I got going on and see how I'm making gains and stuff like that. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow. I will post a video sometime tomorrow night, and that'll be just, you know, if I'm able to have some time to analyze some stocks, which I probably won't analyze too many stocks tomorrow. And, you know, I'll definitely post some gains and some stock news if there's anything, you know, interesting that I see. So I'll see you guys in the next one.